Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS launcher 16. Now you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Then choose while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. Now you can click on iOS Launcher, select Always, and click on Got it! As you can see, after that, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wish to go back to your default one or switch between your launchers, go into Settings. In Settings, you need to access Apps section, click on Default Apps, and tap on Home app. Then click on Home Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!